Picture this. It's 3:47 a.m. on a Tuesday in Tokyo. The sun hasn't risen, but markets are alive. While most of us are sleeping, algorithms are buying, selling, and forecasting in real time. No lights on trading floors, no brokers yelling into phones, just servers glowing quietly in data centers, executing millions of trades per second. This is the new financial heartbeat, 24/7, borderless, and powered by artificial intelligence. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, so you can find the job you want and thrive in the AI era. And today, we're going on a deep dive into the hidden AI systems reshaping global trading and how you can build a career or business inside this trillion-dollar transformation. Because here's the truth, the financial world doesn't sleep anymore, and neither does opportunity. Let's start with a mind-blowing fact. In 2024, AI-driven systems executed over 90% of global trades across stocks, forex, commodities, and even crypto. That's not automation. That's orchestration. These systems don't just place orders. They predict volatility, track sentiment, and even learn from losses faster than human traders ever could. The result? Markets that operate continuously, adapting minute by minute, second by second. It's called continuous adaptive trading, or CAT. And it's the reason why financial firms no longer need to open or close. AI watches the globe like a heartbeat, moving liquidity from London to New York, then from New York to Singapore, in one seamless digital rhythm. Now, let's pull back the curtain. Who's really behind this 24/7 ecosystem? It's not just traders. It's teams of AI engineers, data scientists, and analysts who maintain what I call the financial nervous system. Each algorithm has a role. Some sense risk, some sense opportunity, and some, like reinforcement learning models, actually teach themselves how to make smarter moves over time. So if you're someone who's ever thought, I can't compete with machines, here's your wake-up call. You're not meant to compete with them. You're meant to collaborate with them. Because AI may power the trades, but humans still power the vision. Let's talk about what's really running this 24/7 system. Behind every glowing screen is infrastructure, hardware, algorithms, and human oversight. There are three main layers in this ecosystem. Layer 1, data feed infrastructure. Every AI trading engine feeds on data, real-time market prices, weather updates, social media sentiment, even global shipping routes. Platforms like BloombergGPT, Alpaca, and QuantConnect act as the nervous system that streams live data for AI to digest. In job terms, this layer is where data integration analysts and financial ML engineers thrive. Layer 2, the algorithm core. Here's where AI models like LSTM, transformers, and reinforcement agents operate. They don't just analyze, they simulate. These models can test thousands of trading strategies in parallel across decades of historical data. It's like running 10,000 experiments a minute. The professionals who maintain and monitor this layer? They're algorithmic strategy analysts and quantitative researchers. Jobs now open to people from economics, computer science, or even psychology backgrounds. Layer 3, the decision engine. This is where AI outputs meet human oversight. Traders, analysts, and risk officers review AI signals through dashboards that visualize probability, correlation, and confidence levels. AI gives the what. Humans decide the when and the why. This hybrid workflow creates the Augmented Advisor model, a system where you're not replaced by tech, you're enhanced by it. Now that we know what powers 24/7 markets, let's unpack the strategies that make them profitable. 1. Sentiment-driven trading. AI models now scrape billions of posts, news articles, and financial filings daily. They detect market emotion, bullish, bearish, or neutral, in real time. Companies like Accurrent and Dataminer use NLP to give traders emotional intelligence at scale. If you're a writer, communicator, or analyst, roles like Sentiment Data Strategist are your entry point. 2. Predictive risk management. AI systems like ISD and Palantir Foundry map how market shocks spread across currencies, sectors, and regions. They detect early warning signs of volatility before humans feel it. In 2023, these models prevented over $5 billion in institutional losses worldwide. This is where job seekers can step in as AI risk analysts, the new guardians of digital finance. Reinforcement learning portfolios. Unlike traditional AI that follows pre-programmed rules, reinforcement learning models learn by reward. They simulate market moves thousands of times and refine their tactics continuously. Firms like Bridgewater and Two Sigma are already using RL for adaptive asset allocation. If you love gaming, strategy, or behavioral economics, this domain will feel like home. Autonomous wealth creation. Here's the wild part. AI is now designing and managing its own micro portfolios. Platforms like Q.ai, Wealthfront, and Numeri run AI-generated ETFs that rebalance automatically based on your personal goals. These models never sleep. They learn 24/7. But they still need human analysts to monitor bias, ethical impact, and client trust. 5. Explainable AI XAI. In finance, transparency is everything. No investor wants to hear the algorithm made a mistake. That's why firms now use explainable AI dashboards that visualize how decisions are made. This opens a new career path. AI explainability analyst, someone who ensures models are accountable and comprehensible to clients and regulators. Let's make it real. Here are the top emerging roles in AI-powered trading that job seekers can prepare for right now. 1. AI market strategist. Bridges financial forecasting with machine learning insights. 2. Data visualization designer. Builds dashboards that explain AI signals to stakeholders. 3. Digital asset risk manager. Evaluates performance and compliance in crypto AI trading. 4. Machine learning compliance officer. Ensures algorithms meet ethical and legal standards. 5. Financial automation consultant. Helps companies integrate AI into legacy systems. 6. AI systems auditor. Validates the fairness and reliability of algorithmic trading. 7. Algorithmic product manager. Designs the next generation of finance apps. 8. AI financial educator. Teaches investors how to interpret machine-driven results. Notice how many of these roles blend communication, creativity, and ethics, not just math. That's your advantage. You don't have to become a programmer. You just have to understand how the programs work and how to translate them into value. Now, let's go deeper. If machines run the numbers 24/7, what's left for us? Everything that requires judgment, empathy, and trust. AI can predict a market dip, but it can't comfort an anxious investor. It can rebalance a portfolio, but it can't read a client's life goals. And that's why emotional intelligence, EQ, has become the new ROI. The best finance professionals of 2030 will be those who can blend logic with leadership, translating AI insights into human decisions. You'll need technical awareness, Yes, but your true leverage is emotional literacy. It's not the algorithm that makes money. It's the alignment between algorithm and advisor. Let's zoom out even further. This revolution isn't just about Wall Street. From Singapore to Nairobi, AI trading hubs are popping up in regions that never had access to traditional financial infrastructure. AI is flattening the wealth map. It's making global trading more inclusive, and that means opportunity for professionals everywhere. Developers in Lagos are creating fintech models now used in London. Analysts in India are training models for hedge funds in New York. Finance is no longer a zip code. It's a skill set. So no matter where you live, you can build a digital portfolio, learn these systems, and position yourself for global contracts and remote roles. Now that you understand how AI runs markets, it's time to take action. Here's your deep dive challenge for the weekend. 1. Pick one AI trading platform: QuantConnect, Alpaca, or FinGPT. 2. Create a demo account. 3. Watch one YouTube or Coursera tutorial on algorithmic trading. 4. Test one simulated trade or portfolio automation model. 5. Document your learning. Post it online with the hashtag #AICoachImani. That's how you go from passive watcher to active learner, and from learner to leader. So here's the truth. AI isn't taking over finance. It's taking finance further. It's expanding what's possible for those willing to adapt. In this new era, trading never sleeps, and neither does your potential. You are not behind. You're becoming faster than you think. Because the future of money isn't written in code alone. It's written by humans who learn to code with purpose. And that's you. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone in finance who's ready to future-proof their career in the AI economy. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow is Strategy Sunday. How to design your AI finance career plan for 2025 and beyond. We'll turn everything we've learned this week into a clear, actionable roadmap for your future. I'll see you tomorrow, where your curiosity becomes your capital.